Hi everyone, today we are going to be looking at the SUMIF function. This is part of the short series, the Excel short series that I'm doing, and it could come in handy in a variety of situations. Let's take a closer look. So the next function that we are going to discuss is SUMIF function in Microsoft Excel. So what does a SUMIF function do? SUMIF allows us to do summation of range of cells that meet a specific criteria. And the syntax and the way how we are going to implement it in Excel is going to be as follows. SUMIF is equal to first SUMIF after, and then range criteria and sum range. So let's just implement the formula. I'm going to write is equal to, and then SUMIF, and then bracket close, and then the range. So it's highlighted, it's in bold, so the range is this one. This is going to be the range. And the second one is the criteria. The criteria is we want, what do we want our answers? So the criteria is grapes. We are going to do it again since I was not able to see grapes at that time. So range, and the criteria is grapes. And the sum range. Okay, so we want the sum for the volume, right? Find the volume for, so we want to find the sum for the volume, and then we are going to close the bracket and press is equal to. Okay, so it's going to tell us how many, so there is grapes here, there is grapes here, and there is grapes here. So it has calculated this grapes and these grapes and given us the total number of grapes that we've sold. So if there were like 500 grapes in our sheet, it would have added all 500 if we selected the range and given us the correct answer. Okay, so there is another way to implement this formula, which is by okay, the next is pairs, right? So we are going to implement it another way. So we are going to click the cell in front of pairs. We are going to come here, function, and then we are going to write thumb, and see it appears here, and then we are going to press OK. This is much more easy if you don't know what the specific things do, because Excel will explain it to you. Range is the range of cells you want to evaluate. Okay, so the range is like so. Okay, the criteria is pairs, so we're going to select pairs from here, and the sum range is going to be the volume, because we wanted the volume, so we are going to select this, and then we are going to press OK, and the answer will be right with us. And the third way is okay, for apples we want to do the SUMIF. So the third way is by going to this formula step and going to more functions, and you can select SUMIF, and the same thing is going to be open, and then we are going to select the range criteria. Now is apples, so we're going to select the apples from here, and the sum range, what volume sum we wanted, so we will select this. Now we're going to press OK, and it's going to come out. So this is how SUMIF is implemented.